Tudor just quietly executed the most ruthless upgrade in modern watch history, and it means the watch currently sitting in your collection just took a massive hit. The unfiltered reality of the MKII overhaul. Welcome back to Luxe Pulse. Let's be completely honest for a second. We took a detour last week into the absolute stratosphere of ultra-wealth with a six-figure enamel Rolex Daytona. While it was spectacular to look at, it's not a watch most of us can actually buy. Today, we are stepping right back into the real world to discuss a watch that actually matters to your wrist and your bank account. Ever since its debut back in 2018, the Tudor BB58 has been the undisputed king of the entry-level luxury watch market. It was the perfect 39mm vintage-inspired daily driver. But after nearly a decade of dominance, Tudor decided that holding the crown wasn't enough. This year, they launched an updated 2026 Master Chronometer Tudor BB58. I have been lucky enough to get my hands on one at my AD. This isn't a simple paint job or a minor facelift. Tudor has systematically re-engineered almost every single component of this watch, fixing every single complaint collectors have grumbled about for years. If you own the original version, you need to watch this before making your next move. At a distance, the new 2026 BB58 looks instantly familiar. It retains that gorgeous black and gold aesthetic, the warm gilt accents, and the iconic red triangle on the anodized aluminium bezel insert. But when you get it under a macro lens, the differences are staggering. Tudor managed to shave the case thickness down to a razor-thin 11.7mm. While a fractional millimeter reduction sounds small on paper, it visually slims the watch down on the wrist, making it wear incredibly flush. The dial text has been stripped of clutter. Gone is the three-line Chronometer officially certified text block. It has been replaced with a clean, minimal two-line layout that reads simply Master Chronometer, throwing back to true mid-century diving heritage. The lollipop seconds. Hand. In a beautiful historical nod, Tudor swapped out the diamond-shaped snowflake seconds hand for a rounded lollipop hand, complete with a circle counterweight. Tactile upgrades. The screw-down crown has been completely redesigned to sit closer to the mid-case with deeper, more aggressive notches. The bezel profile follows suit, featuring a sharper, toothier knurling that makes setting your dive times incredibly tactile and crisp. Beneath that familiar gilt dial lies the biggest technical leap forward. Tudor has officially ousted the older generation movement to install the manufacture caliber MT-5400U. This engine doesn't just pass standard Swiss CEOS testing. It goes through the brutal, unforgiving gauntlet of Meta's Master Chronometer certification. What does that mean for you on a daily basis? It guarantees an incredibly tight accuracy standard of 0 to +5 seconds per day. Even better, it infuses the watch with a staggering 15,000 Gauss of anti-magnetic resistance. In a modern world filled with magnetic iPad covers, laptop chargers, and airport security scanners, this movement is virtually bulletproof. It sacrifices a tiny bit of power reserve, dropping slightly from 70 hours down to 65 hours, but the massive upgrade in real-world durability makes it an incredibly easy trade-off to accept. While the movement is a technical triumph, the hardware holding it to your body is what will actually convince you to trade in your old model. Tudor is launching this updated edition with 3 distinct mounting options: a classic 3-link rivet-style steel bracelet, a cut-to-size black rubber strap, and a stunning, dressier 5-link Jubilee-style steel bracelet. No matter which option you choose, every single one of them now comes fully integrated with Tudor's proprietary T-Fit rapid adjustment clasp. The lack of micro adjustments on the original BB58 bracelet was its single biggest flaw. With the T-Fit system, you can instantly adjust the length of your bracelet by up to 8 mm on the fly without a single tool, giving you a perfect fit as your wrist changes size in the summer heat. The updated 2026 Tudor BB58 lands in the UK with a retail price of £4,160 for either the 3-link or the high-end 5-link steel bracelet options. Yes, it represents a step up in price compared to the original 2018 launch, but given the meter's movement, the upgraded casing and the flawless T-Fit hardware, it completely disrupts the market under £5,000. We are closing in fast on our 1,000 subscriber milestone here at Luxe Pulse. If you want to keep winning against boutique waitlists with real market data and honest luxury watch reviews, take a second to hit that subscribe button right now. Your support directly helps us grow. Has this 2026 update officially made the original BB58 obsolete? Or do you prefer the classic character of the first generation? Hit the like button, turn on notifications, and we will see you in the next video.